Chat, beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for an amazing crafting weekend. Today, this is the freebie. Your free printable of this week is this little page here. How cute is John? His name is John. This is a new kit, a brand new. I literally just designed, and I wanted to create a freebie to you guys to showcase the kit. So this is the kit that is available on my website. It's got quite a lot of pages. We've got some tags and a little envelope with John. His name is John. Look at that, John the giraffe. You've got a plain background. It's just a collage of different ephemera that you guys can create and use for your project. You've got another one. Look at that. This is another page of the kit. We're going to do a project with this. These are, in my head, they were stuck in pockets. Okay, and then I just put John on one of the bottom one there with this little hat and scarves. Then you get one page with all the different backgrounds scaled like so. So you get, this can use for can be used for like greetings card or vintage cards or little notebooks if you fold it in half. I'm trying to position John in a different way so you get kind of like a variety. So this one here is the freebie that you get today on a larger scale. So that's that. And then you get another kit with John on a very deep floral background. Then you get last is 2 journal pages or book pages, if it can be like a really nice cover for like notebooks or journals. And you got John on front and back wearing the 2 scarves and the little hats. Now I have another kit on my website which is called John a Giraffe. I mean, this was the original kit and it's very, very popular, so I thought to design another one. Just gonna give you a quick flick through. So this is the original I created a couple of years ago, and it still remained my number 3 bestsellers on my website. I'll just give you a quick flick through. I just made some tags. This is more like a bright summary. I love that. It's like a 2 pages you can cut. More tags, more background, again split it into 2 so you get 2 different backgrounds. Gift pillow box and an envelope, some secretarial pockets and 2 side pockets for your journals. What else I've got? Oh, we got a cube gift box. And what else is in? Oh yeah, so 4 different backgrounds with John on different colors. Again, you can fussy cut. They use as a card basis, and another background there. Okay, so I will link both of the kit on the box, in the info box, if you guys want to purchase it. But this is what you get today. Let me show you where you can download all my free. As usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very, very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Don't forget to check it out. Brand new, hot from the press. Yeah, I think this is gonna be very popular as well. I love John. I will, as I said, everything that I mentioned in the video, I'll list it down below. Guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video. It really support me on my journey on YouTube, because every time you interact with my videos, you're telling YouTube how wonderful I am. And it helps me creating your freebie, kits, etc, etc. Guys, have a wonderful weekend, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.